NASA's Ingenuity helicopter. The first helicopter attempted to fly on another planet is a marvel of engineering. We will see in detail about this Ingenuity helicopter. Technically, Ingenuity is 1.8 kg drone that is equipped with high-speed rotors which are essential to provide enough lift in Martian atmosphere. It will be attached to under Perseverance rover and most probably stayed there covered for up to 2 months after mission arrived to Mars. The helicopter fly on its own without human control. It must take off, fly and land with minimal commands from Earth sent in advance. We can see the technical specification in this description. Ingenuity anatomy in detail. It has blades which is made up of carbon fiber, batteries, legs, sensors and cameras, avionics and body, solar panel to charge, antennas. NASA's Ingenuity helicopter made its first flight on Mars. It took the picture of its own shadow while hovering above the Martian surface. It is seen like a historic flight, the first time an aircraft has ever flown on a planet other than Earth. It is related with the Wright brothers flyer. In 1903, Wright brothers made the first controlled power flight on Earth which fly for 12 seconds 120 foot height. The Wright brothers showed that power flight in Earth's atmosphere was possible using an experimental aircraft. Ingenuity was carried to Mars by NASA's Perseverance rover, which landed on the red planet on February 18th. After 7 months, 293 million miles voyage from Earth. So, how was the Ingenuity engineered here on Earth before going to Mars? Mars helicopter was designed as a tech demo to show that aerial robotics like this are able to be used for Mars exploration. Ben Piepenburg is a senior aeromechanical engineer at AeroVironment, the contractor hired by NASA to build this Mars helicopter. Lot of flight hardware on Ingenuity were built in AeroVironment. It involves 7-year development process. A lot of fabrication, taking all of the raw components, turning that into molded parts to reduce the weight of the helicopter to adapt Mars environment. For example, using this kind of carbon fiber material and molding that to develop the rotor blades on Ingenuity. The rotor blades on Ingenuity are designed from the composite material, so it's carbon fiber over an engineering foam material. They are very lightweight and they are very rigid, that's required to control the helicopter and to make the whole thing light enough to be able to fly. Engineering something like this in the environment that we have never actually flown in before is very challenging. NASA's Ingenuity 1.8 kg Mars helicopter separated from the belly of the Perseverance rover. We can see here how it will be separated from the belly of the Perseverance rover. Since touching down on the Martian surface, Perseverance has been snapping pictures and analyzing nearby rocks. But perhaps the most anticipated part of the rover's mission is the flight of its Martian helicopter Ingenuity. There have been a lot of other space probes and missions that have gone to Mars, and so we have some understanding of the environment. However, nobody's never flown on Mars before. From the Mars environment, we know flight would be difficult. Martian atmosphere is much thinner than Earth's atmosphere. Actually, the Mars is very similar to Earth at above 1 lakh feet of the Earth. NASA and AeroVironment had the challenge of designing a craft without being able to test any environment in which it would fly. A lot of tests conducted on Mars helicopter happened at JPL's Space Simulator facility. It is a very large vacuum chamber that can be filled with CO2 gas to stimulate the atmosphere on Mars. It's a special facility. There are very few like that in the world. We'll see about the Mars helicopter flight tested in detail. The first flight took place on 19th of April 2021. In this phase, Ingenuity rose to 3 meters height above the planet's surface and hovered for almost 40 seconds. The Mars helicopter took the black and white picture of its shadow using navigation camera. The second flight took place on the 22nd of April. As it was completing its task, Ingenuity rose as high up as 4.9 meters and hovered for 51 seconds. This time, the Mars helicopter took its first color images, and here is what they look like. You can find the wheel track left by the Perseverance Mars rover. The third test was successfully completed on 25th of April. Ingenuity rose to 5.2 meters high and then it flew around 50 meters parallel to the Mars surface before safely returning to the starting point. In this video, you can see the Perseverance view of Ingenuity, which managed to take pictures and record a video of the flight from its vantage point. In this test, Ingenuity made a record speed of 2 meters per second. This test was only planned by NASA. Since Ingenuity works good in all phases, NASA conducted another test flight on 30th of April. Ingenuity traveled 266 meters within 117 seconds, moving parallel to the Perseverance. During fourth flight, some of the black and white images were taken as stereo pass, allowing us to test our ability to make 3D imagery of the surface and study the elevation of different sites below us. After its sixth test flight, the helicopter will have about 2 weeks to prepare for a new set of operations to demonstrating its functions. For example, apart from one-way flights, Ingenuity will experiment with precision maneuvering, which will enable it to cover large areas of observation. Besides, at the next phase attempts will be able to give it more autonomy so that it relies on assistance of the Perseverance rover team as little as possible. This means that Perseverance will be able to get on with its chief task, collecting samples of Martian rocks and sediments. As for Ingenuity, it has planned to be aiding the rover in coordinating its movements. Well, this Ingenuity mission is just a part of NASA test for the Mars exploration. Main mission like Mars rover Perseverance successfully used its MOXIE instrument to generate oxygen from the thin carbon dioxide dominated Martian atmosphere for the first time. We'll see this in brief in next videos. Until then, this is your AK over and out.